How to delete browsing data from your Chrome browser. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can delete your all browsing history, or you can say data from your browser. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open my Chrome browser. Okay guys, so here I'm on Chrome. So how you can delete it, just click on this three dot option right upper corner and go to the history, and here you have to click on this history button. Then the history will be open. This is your all history. Now you can see this is my all history. How you can delete it, just select one or hit the control plus a, then all history will be select control plus a. Okay, then you can delete from here. Just delete, then all will be deleted. Okay, now this is your browsing data. Just go to the browsing data, and here you can see the all your browsing history, download history, everything. You can select the time range from here, from last 24 hours or 7 days or 4 week or all time. So you can select everything which you want to delete. So there is a password also if you don't want to autofill data, and site settings. There is a caches, image, cookies, site, download history, and browsing history is there. So you can select, you have to select which you want to delete, and just clear data. Okay, time range, then select what you want and just delete. Click on clear data. So now your all data will be delete, history will be delete, Chrome data. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.